Hello, Mike Gish, MarineMax Maryland. Today, 2020 Scout 300 LXF. Starting with the profile of this beauty, midnight blue, Scout white stripe, Mercury 300 motors at the back. Fantastic looking boat. So we walk through the bow of this boat. Of course, the 30 is going to be standard with a windlass, making anchoring out just really simple. Press a button down, press a button back up, easy as can be. Great seating space up here. Got the forward backrest as well as the large lounge seat facing forward. Underneath here, huge storage compartment and an integrated spot for the bow table. As we work towards the middle of the boat, inside the console, great space to be. Is large enough if you want to spend an afternoon in there, take a nap, get a kid out of the sun. Works great for that, as well as your toilet. Also a great spot to throw some life jackets if needed. As we walk towards the helm, you're going to see, of course, all the standard stuff you're going to find with Scout. Nice hard top, all powder coated framing. Garmin display at the helm, 2 large screens. Everything you need to know from the motor management information, chart, depth. Again, really everything that you need. I mentioned earlier, these are the 300 horsepower Mercuries. These are the new V8s. Integrated joystick with them, so joystick docking, very easy to maneuver, easy to dock. Also has the skyhook feature on there. In addition to that, the autopilot is integrated into there, so you just press the button, boat holds course, twist the joystick to adjust course on the fly. Really simple and easy. Flip up bolsters at the helm, flip down armrest. Nice added feature on this one, we do have the dive door off to the side. So with having the outboards, takes up a little room from a swim platform standpoint. This makes getting in and out of the boat really easy, whether you're a hardcore dive or just really going for an afternoon swim with the family. Get back to the business part of the boat. This is where all the fishing is going to happen. We do have slop sink, bait well, cutting board, some great storage, as well as the flip out seat that you're going to find on basically every Scout. Again, Scouts are made to be fishing boats on the water, so you still have that ability back here. Rocket launchers, rod holders, really still a fishing machine. Walk through transit, flip this open, walk through, easy access to the swim platform. There is a nice, clean, tidy swim platform, so you can walk all the way across, whether you dock on port or starboard. Really just a great setup, easy boat to get on and off of. Mike Gish, MarineMax Maryland, 2020 Scout 300 LXF. Give us a phone call. Stop on in. We'd love to demo you on this boat. You will absolutely love how it runs.